Oh, hey guys. Check this out. Ah. Bring it back down. Need some weight on it to really settle, but she's looking like an airbag ATV. Aha. Let's try the back. For some reason, this one broke on the back, or on the front one, so I gotta steal this one. But what's nice is that the airline kind of crimped, so now it airs itself out. Oh shit. Hang on. There it is. Yeah, I don't know what the heck happened. This thing just like got smushed. But here's the back. The pinch line is nice because it airs it out for me. Aha. That's pretty good. That's pretty cool.